We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Meinong's paper umbrellas are probably its most famous product, but surprisingly, they are also its most recent. The Hakka of Meinong only started to produce oil paper umbrellas around 60 years ago, after a craftsman from Guangdong arrived to teach the technique. Since then, the beautifully painted umbrellas, with their distinctive oily smell, have become synonymous with Meinong's Hakka culture. Hey, 大家好, it's time for another Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
It is Alice right here, and she's been very, very helpful in teaching us very useful Hakka vocabulary. And since, around this time of the year, Taiwan experiences a lot of typhoon. 其實在這個時段呢，台灣啊，亞洲地區很多這種台風啊，台風要準備什麼東西？我想這個應該要呼籲聽眾了。
那我們今天就來教，風采來咧，愛準備乜嘅東西？
風采來咧，
風采，
風采啊，風采就是台風咯。
Yes.
哎呀 that's typhoon. 風采
來咧，
來咧，
就是
來了。
愛準備乜嘅東西？
準備乜嘅東西啊？什麼東西啊？
什麼東西？
Before we get into that, the whole sentence meaning, what should you prepare when typhoon comes? All right? The first thing, 第一個要準備的是
水，
水，五告水。
哈，
不是
水。
水 is water. Okay. It sounds like Taiwanese, like beautiful. 水水就是很漂亮的水。
該懂講嘅
水好 water.
食嘅東西，
吃嘅東西吃的東西嘛that means food. 天池啊游泳池電池battery. Okay, that's very, very important. Batteries, because you got to use it for the flashlight. You also have to use it for the radio. 有電池才可以聽 ICRT 嘛。收音機才會有電嘛。
你很強哦，大公公。
我係強啊，我係強啊。So let's review those 3 vocabulary words. Things you should prepare during a typhoon. First one is water, 水。水 Okay. Second one is food.
吃嘅東西，
吃嘅東西就是吃的東西。And the third one is battery. 天池電池咯。All right, thank you very much. This is our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph.
師母安子社張來了。
張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.